Opened in 2017, the Queensferry Crossing is the centerpiece of the Forth Replacement Crossing project, the largest infrastructure project in Scotland for a generation. It is a spectacular 1.6-mile-long cable-stayed bridge with back-to-back main spans of 2,152 feet each, crossing the Forth Estuary in the United Kingdom. The new crossing sits alongside two historic bridges, the Forth Bridge and the Forth Road Bridge. The bridge is characterized by unique crossing stay cables, a structural solution never implemented on a bridge of this scale. The problem of a three-tower cable-stayed bridge is that out-of-balance traffic on only one of the spans would cause sway of the central tower, resulting in large deflections and forces in the tower and superstructure. The crossing stay cable solution created a virtual truss system providing the necessary structural stiffness. Originally built as a replacement to the existing Grade 1 listed Forth Road Bridge, the initial brief was to assume that the existing bridge would be completely inoperable. This led to the need for a very wide structure to carry a dual two-lane highway, combined footways, cycleways, and a multimodal corridor to provide future capacity for a light rail or tram system. The team developed a Managed Crossing Strategy, or MCS, to make the most effective use of existing infrastructure, providing greater reliability of the current service provision, and promoting sustainable transport modes. Developing the MCS was also a success for the sustainability of the project. The reduced construction scope led to a substantial reduction in cost, embodied energy, and carbon content. It also led to a dignified long-term use of the refurbished bridge. The management and governance of the project was overseen by the employer's delivery team, comprised of Transport Scotland and Jacobs Arab joint venture. This integrated team was key to the success of the project because it meant communication lines were short. The success of the planning and delivery is self-evident in the extraordinary progression of the budgets throughout the project, with the outturn costs being less than half of the most optimistic estimate at project inception. The American Society of Civil Engineers is proud to recognize Queensferry Crossing as the OCEA Bronze Award.